Good.
Come on. Where the hell's he at? There he is. I got him. He ain't very big.
You got him. All right, Bob.
He's not very big.
Hey, look at that.
Little walleye.
Rock and roll.
See, you throw your string around your hole. You don't pile it all up in one pile.
Brilliant, absolutely.
When you're pulling it up.
Oh, I'm keeping that.
What is it?
Perch.
Oh.
All right, guys, little yellow perch action.
Yeah. Small though. Very small.
Off your line. Don't tangle it.
Perch.
Hey.
A perch.
About another 8-incher. Oh, beautiful, bud.
Fucking big northern.
There you go.
Let's see him. Oh, yeah, bud. He's
a
a hefty beast. What do you want to do with him?
He's about a 20.
Oh, I don't know.
He's
I
about
don't
a
know
20.
if I'm gonna keep him. I'm not gonna keep
I don't think so. Oh, a little bit of perch. Hey, yo. Happy day. I'll take it. That was 1 foot off the bottom. Okay, guys, just pull this. What's that? Yeah, just that little chartreuse one I was telling you about. And then that little pearlescent one that's even smaller. Oh. Okay, oh yeah. Here we go. What do we got today? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Holy catfish. What do we got here? It's a catfish. Well then. Hello, channel cat. Croak. I did. It felt really good. I was pretty excited. Golly, that'd be great. All right, I am gonna let you go. See you later. Stupid freaking camera sometimes. Hello there.
You got flag up there too beside you.
Northern? Nice, there's a good one. All right, Louie.
Dunker.
Yes, sir. Oh, he swallowed it. You're in trouble.
How do you wind it with that damn cord cutter?
I usually pull that sucker off. Oh, I had it set up to pop, but it didn't pop.
You hear the Odys?
Little bastard. Must be. I got a little one here too.
Oh, those are smaller than the ones I caught.
No, they're not.
Well, this might be a key for this one.
Oh, okay.